So hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to unbox a gaming laptop called a HP Pavilion, which cost is about a 56,000 after discount on credit card. I got nearly up to 53,000 and I bought this from Flipkart, and we'll check the packing is good or not, and we will see it is worthy for price or not. So let's get into the unboxing. You can see some details about our laptop. If you want to read it, you can pause the video and you can read it. Now you can see that the packing is good and it is fully covered with foam, and I think there will be no damage on the laptop. You can see they gave adapter on the right side of the box, and the length of the adapter cable is also big. Okay, now it is the main part of the video, opening the laptop. I am very excited. Yahoo! Okay, now you can see that the look of the laptop is very great. If we talk about the specs, we have 1650 graphic card, and we have a Ryzen 5 4500H with 1 TB hard disk. You can see the Pavilion logo in the backside of the laptop. You can see near the hinge there is some vent holes where the air or heat from the laptop goes off. You can see the HP logo is good, and they wrote Pavilion on the front also. It is very good, and let's open the laptop. You can see the black sheet is covered the laptop, and they gave stickers of NVIDIA GeForce GTX and Ryzen 5 4000 series stickers on the laptop. You can see the other side they gave some QR code, and the total look is very cool. And the main look, that is the speakers, which is superb, and the keyboard is nice. And when it comes to the trackpad, it is good, and the total look is so highlight superb. Now let's on the laptop and see how it will be. Wow, it on with the lights which is violet in color, and you can see it is starting with the HP logo.
ఫుల్ స్క్రీన్ పెట్టండి. ఫుల్ స్క్రీన్ పెట్టండి. అట్లా క్లోజ్ అప్ సాంబ సదాశివ శంభో శంకర శరణం మే తవ చరణయుగం.
Now once we will talk about the specs. We have 1650 GTX 1650 graphic card and Ryzen 5 4600H processor and 8GB RAM, 15.6-inch display and 1TB hard disk. Now we have a Windows 10 Home OS and a 4GB graphics and 2.04 kg weight.
I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.